Welcome everybody to another edition of Dan's Grand Valley Railroad. It's been a couple weeks since I checked in with you guys, and in that time I have not done anything with the layout. You remember last time we were talking about the fueling station over there and a trackside shack that I put here. I have not lighted this yet, so still have those projects to go, but yeah, I've been really busy with stuff, so I haven't had time to work on the layout. Plus, the weather's been fabulous, so I've been outside a lot, just getting a lot of exercise and working in the yard and stuff like that. But anyway, this week I thought it might be fun to do an updated cab ride video, and I thought I'd show you guys how I kind of set up to do that. And then I even thought we'll go ahead and put the background here that, remember, we made a few videos back, we made a background for here, and then that'll give us a different perspective for the cab ride. We'll just do that and give you a quick run around. That'll show some cab ride views of the new diner. And as you can see, I've got a bread truck making a delivery there. I know somebody suggested that. But I've had that bread truck a while, so figure he's dropping off some hamburger buns or whatever. But yeah, that'll give us a new perspective of the new elements of the layout. So I thought that would be kind of fun this week, since I really don't have anything that I'm working on or anything to cover. I did want to say, I brought these. These are my the flatbeds that I'll normally use for the cab ride. I've got a backup one here. This is one of my old Tyco cars. This is an old Athearn that I've had for many, many years. That one typically works pretty well. You can see I weathered it. Sometimes it'll go a little bit astray and the couplings will come off or something bad will happen. But we'll be pushing it, so hopefully that won't be a problem. But I'll show you guys how I set up for the cab rides, and we'll do that. So I think we'll use number 307 here for the cab ride. We'll push that flat car with it. It's got 7 cars on it right now, and so what we have to do is the other one, 315, is pulling 6 cars right now. We're gonna have to sidetrack it over here. So we'll bring it off here and we'll park it down here. It's probably gonna have to go a little bit into the engine shed to get it off the main line, but we'll do that, get it out of the way. Then we can concentrate on 307 doing the cab ride. So let me get that done. All right, here comes 315. Hopefully it'll take this switch okay, and everything will remain intact. Going to run it down this way into the engine shed. Yeah, it looks like we're going to have enough room, so we'll just get all the cars off the main line. Slow that down. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. So I'll just get it in there a little ways. And that should be good. And that'll be out of our way. All right, we'll go ahead and shut her down. Now 307 we'll bring around over here where we can work with it in front of the station. So we'll bring that around, and then we'll go get the camera, get the flatbed hooked up. Okay, I have some of the boxcars staged the way I want them. I thought that would look kind of cool. Gotta turn this radio chatter off this one. I usually don't have those on, but when it's sitting there running, it likes to talk to me. I get that turned off. Anyway, so these guys are set up. I thought it would look cool with the background here, and it would look pretty cool as a rail yard. So I've got some cars set up the way I want them. This guy is here next to the shed. There's a guy there, so I thought that would look pretty good. So next step, let me get the background installed here, and then we'll go ahead and get our cameras set up. Okay, I wanted to talk a little bit about the cameras that I use. This one is charging, so we'll talk about this first. This is a GoPro Hero Session. It's an older one, and what I like about it is you can see this texture on it. It's kind of rubberized, so they sit really well on, well, without the wire on here, it sits really well on a flatbed, and it's not wide. It's 1 inch wide, so it will fit through the tunnels height wise and width wise. It'll fit through the bridge, through the tunnels and everything. So this is the one for the cab ride. Now I also have a GoPro Silver, what is this, 7, Silver 7, and this won't work for cab rides because it's too wide. But what it will work for is ground shots. So like video pass-bys, stuff like that. And what's nice about these GoPros is you can turn them upside down and they'll still film right side up. So you get a really close angle, like, you know, from the height of an HO scale person, and from the HO scale world, you can get it right at ground level. So that's really nice about this. So that being said, let's take this guy and we'll put it near across the street from the diner, and we'll get a pass-by shot of the train going by with that background in and everything. Here, we'll scooch over here, and you can see I've got the background up. I can't have it up all the time because it's, you know, I can't work on the front of the layout then, but we'll go ahead and put the camera across the street over here somewhere from the diner. We'll try to get a shot of the train going by with that background. Okay, so you can see we got a couple of cool pass-by videos. Now I've got the little GoPro sitting on the flatbed, so we'll go ahead and try a complete circuit around the layout and see what happens. All right, that was once around the entire layout going forward. So now I've set up, we're gonna put the flatbed on the back, and that way you'll see the train as it goes around. So we'll go that way one time around, and you can check that out. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed these updated cab ride videos. That was a lot of fun, and it's been a long time since we did that, so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you guys are new to the hobby or thinking about building a Grand Valley layout, I hope this helped with that and the overall layout. If you have any questions, definitely leave me a message in comments, and I'll definitely try to get back to you. I really enjoy your questions and comments, and I get back to everybody that I can. So thank you for that. And again, it's a busy summer, so it may be a few weeks until I get another video put together. I don't have any immediate plans for expansion or any projects right now, but that can change. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.